It's freezing. Your windscreen is a solid ice cube. You've got places to be. I'm going to de-ice this fast without cracking the glass or wrecking the wipers. Hook steps result, let's go. Step 1. Warm the cabin the right way. I start the car's set defrost to low to medium heat, AIC, on recirculation, off, rear, defogger on. I crack a window slightly to vent humidity. Never idle in a closed garage. Step 2. Prep your tools. Plastic scraper, soft brush, de-icer spray. No de-icer? I use a DIY mix. 2 parts isopropyl alcohol to 1 part water, plus a drop of dish soap. Gloves on. Step 3. Lift the wipers. I pop them up so the rubber doesn't freeze to the glass. I never run the wipers over ice, that shreds blades and the motor. Step 4. Clear, loose snow first. I brush off the hood cowl and the whole windscreen. Step 5. Spray top to bottom. I mist de-icer across the top edge so it runs down, then cover the rest in overlapping passes. I let it work for 10-20 seconds. Step 6. Scrape smart. With a plastic scraper at about 45 degrees, I push, don't stab. Long, steady strokes. If a patch fights back, I respray, no chiseling. Step 7. Don't forget trouble spots. I hit the corners around the wiper, pivot side windows and mirrors. I clear the rear glass with the defogger and a gentle pass, no metal tools. Step 8. Final polish. I drop the wipers, spray winter-rated washer fluid, and wipe with a microfiber for a streak-free finish. Bonus prevention. Tonight, I'll throw on a windscreen cover, lift the wipers, and make sure I'm running winter washer fluid. A light silicone spray on door seals keeps them from freezing shut. Result. In under 5 minutes, I've got a clean, safe windscreen. My blades are intact, and I'm not late or cold. Quick recap. Gentle cabin heat, with AC on lift wipers. Brush snow spray, de-icer scrape at 45 degrees finish with washer fluid. Skip boiling water metal tools and idling in closed spaces. Drive safe, stay warm, and beat the frost without breaking anything. See you on the road.